When you're running a business or need to get work done, you always need the latest and most capable devices to accomplish your tasks faster and more efficiently. It's the reason why we upgrade to new devices featuring the latest tech, just like the latest Windows laptops, for example, which now are Copilot Plus capable. But of course, not all Windows laptops are made equal, even if they are a Copilot Plus laptop. That's where the ASUS ExpertBook P5 comes in. It's a slim, lightweight, and capable laptop that can make your work a lot easier. But just how capable is the ASUS ExpertBook P5? Well, I suggest you stay tuned to find out. Now, to make work a lot faster, you need a laptop that's equally capable of performing everything you ask of it. Under the hood, the ASUS ExpertBook P5 can be spec'd with up to an Intel Core Ultra 7 processor with Intel AI Boost NPU up to 47 TOPS, an Intel Arc 130V GPU, 32GB of LPDDR5 RAM, and up to 1TB of fast SSD storage. If you find the 1TB of storage lacking, you can install more storage should you need to, as there is an additional M.2 slot hidden under here. If you want to see just how capable the ExpertBook P5 is, we've already run our benchmarks on this device. And the scores? Well, they're above what we expected for a business laptop. With that, you can be sure the ExpertBook P5 can handle almost any task you throw at it. Whether you need to edit photos, videos, or simply write up documents and manage your Excel files or Google Sheets. But what really helps the most when it comes to productivity is the fact that this is a Copilot Plus laptop. It's not just the Copilot app where you can talk to it like any AI companion you have, whether it's on your smartphone or on the internet. Instead, you can take advantage of all the benefits it offers. For starters, there's the AI Expert Meet app. You can use it to make online meetings a lot easier to understand and sum up the important points of discussion. It automatically transcribes the speech of various speakers to text with a proper timeline, and it can even summarize key points from each speaker, making it a lot easier to understand everything that happened in the meeting. No need for you to manually record the meeting, transcribe everything that happened, and summarize everything by yourself. Instead, you can let the AI Expert Meet app do the tasks for you. What's even better is that even if the speaker isn't speaking in English, the app provides real-time translation into subtitles to make it convenient for everyone to understand. So, no need to get lost in translation. Of course, you'd still want to double-check everything afterwards. The recording and transcripts can still be edited to ensure that what is said is correct. You can even cut out the unimportant parts just to streamline everything. But it's not just the final output that it can help with. During the meetings itself, the AI Expert Meet app can also enhance the video call experience with camera enhancements and noise cancellation. There's even an option to apply a watermark to protect everyone in the meeting and even your business from leakage. So, even if you're away from the office or you're home, you can be sure everyone can see and hear you clearly. I mean, you can bring it around with you to work wherever you are, since this is a tough laptop, but more on that later. I mean, all work and no play can be tiring though, so even when you're not working, you can also play games to take your mind off work. The ASUS ExpertBook P5 can handle most titles you throw at it without any issues. Work and play in one device. Of course, you do have to set your expectations though. This is the ASUS ExpertBook P5 after all, not an ROG gaming laptop. Playing games aren't your thing? Then you can sit back and watch your favorite series or movies on this laptop. The ExpertBook P5 features a 2.5K 14-inch display with a 144Hz refresh rate and the maximum peak brightness of 400 nits. Yes, despite this being a work laptop, it features a 144Hz refresh rate display, which is not something you'd find very often for a business laptop. This gives users a very smooth experience, whether you're just typing documents or watching shows. I mean, why settle for 60Hz, right? Even though it's a business laptop, it's great to have the ability to go to 144Hz. When you're watching videos or in a meeting, you also have a great set of speakers to accompany you. The speakers on the ExpertBook P5 are tuned by Dolby Atmos, and users have access to the Dolby Access app, allowing you to fine-tune the settings to whatever you like. When you do need to bring it out with you, there's no need to worry about anything breaking on this laptop. ASUS built the ExpertBook P5 to military standards. And that's not a joke, by the way. This device meets the MIL STD 810H rating, which is a US military standard for durability. This means this will survive rougher handling as compared to your traditional business laptop. The entire laptop itself is made out of aluminum, which helps with its strength. At the same time, it's relatively lightweight too, weighing only 1.27 kilograms. I mean, see, I'm holding it like it's nothing. But it's not just the laptop shell that was strengthened. Even the smaller parts of the ExpertBook P5 are toughened up. For example, all of the ports are tested by ASUS to endure up to 9 kilograms of force. The hinge itself has also been stress tested for over 50,000 open and closed cycles. The keyboard itself is spill resistant to water. So, even if you have business in the most rural or rugged areas, this laptop will survive the beating. Accidentally dropped it? Well, don't worry, it'll work just fine. But of course, don't purposely try to destroy it. It meets military standard, but that doesn't mean it's military equipment. You know, there's a difference. But in addition to its tough body, the ExpertBook P5 also has a long battery life, meaning there's no need to charge it that often, keeping you on the go for a lot longer. It features a 63 watt-hour lithium-ion battery pack with up to 28 hours of battery life. When you do need to charge, there is a 65 watt USB Type-C power brick that comes with the laptop. Alternatively, you can also charge it with a power bank and a fast charging cable if you want to pack lighter. Overall, the ASUS ExpertBook P5 can help professionals, business owners, and entrepreneurs work faster and more efficiently wherever they may be. Not only does it have the benefit of being a Copilot Plus laptop, but it also comes with the AI Expert Meet app to make online meetings a lot easier. All of that is then packaged into one sleek, lightweight, and tough laptop that you can bring almost anywhere you go. For everything that it offers, the ASUS ExpertBook P5 retails for 82,995 pesos for the same spec that we have here. To some, it might be pricey, but for those who want to make their productivity a lot easier, it's definitely a worthwhile investment. Remember, time is money. It's the only thing you can't buy, and it's something you'll never get back. Now, if you're interested, the ASUS ExpertBook P5 comes with 3-year on-site service, 1-year accidental damage protection, and even an international warranty which can be claimed in over 80 countries. So no matter where you are with this laptop, you're sure ASUS can get it back up and running. Well, that's assuming you run into problems in the first place. But overall, what do you guys think of the ASUS ExpertBook P5? Will it be the business laptop of your choice? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, do drop a like and subscribe to watch more. Don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok, and visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been Asef, and I'll see you guys in the next video.